and welcome back to Australia Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 1st to the 5th of December 2025 on Monday. Joanne takes Nkunzi and Insizwa through the blueprint of the money depot in a preparation for haste. Njeza confronts Mr. Dongwe and makes it clear he won't allow anything to happen to his family. Mondle and Geja finally find something in common on Tuesday. Kazimulo employs Geja to find out what Nkunzi and Insizwa are cooking. Njeza finds a mysterious name that could unlock Mr. Dongwe's secret past on Wednesday. Kazimulo hijacks the airwaves, turning Mbalentle's interview into his own spotlight moment. Mondle drops a bombshell revelation on Lily about a crucial piece of evidence from a recent deadly haste. Sikiti's gun delivery turns into a lecture when Nkunzi realizes he's brought the heat straight to his doorstep on Thursday. The Hlobo sees Boo and Fikile bond and conclude the two are destined to or for each other. Lily and Mr. Dongwe returns from a movie night. Ashton tells Joanne to not go through with her plans with Nkunzi on Friday. Pefeni is welcome to his new job at the money depot. Sipho mocks his father for his lifestyle and financial trouble. Mbalenhle apologizes to Nkazimulo but gets put to her place. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.